Morning, children. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, students. Namaskar. This is Katavagaria from New Era Public School. I take your English. So before we start our class, let's do our mantra. Good morning, Wes. Good morning. So join your hands, close your eyes. Gange cha yamune chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jale asmin sannidhi Okay, children, rub your hands, put them on your eyes. Okay, now you feel fresh? Yes. You feel happy? Are you all happy? Children? Is everyone happy? खुश है सब? Happy है? Do you miss your school? School miss कर रहे हो? अपने friends miss कर रहे हो? Yes. Pray to God. जल्दी से हमारा स्कूल फिर से रेगुलर स्टार्ट हो जाए, है ना? Yes, miss. Yes, sir. Yes. So let's start our today's class. Yes. Take out your Zoom phonics textbook. Zoom phonics textbook. Yes. Page number 82. Open page number 82. Page 82. Zoom phonics textbook. Yes, Jyoti. Just a minute. Yes.
Hello. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Is there any
Ma'am,
issue?
Ma'am, page
This is
number
Jyoti.
70. Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Yes. I'm hearing.
Ma'am, पेज नंबर 70 और 71 नहीं हुआ है मैम.
Yes, ma'am. I have discussed it with other teachers. Let me just tell you and I confirm it.
ओके.
Right, ma'am?
और मैम आप जो सेंटेंस पढ़ा रहे हैं ना उसका मीनिंग भी प्लीज आप बोल देंगे तो फिर बच्चे को थोड़ा समझने में आसानी होगी. कोई आप जो सेंटेंस पढ़ा रहे हैं ना
पेज 70 मैंने बोला है, मैं कंफर्म करूँगी आप जोर से बोलिए मैम।
ओके, थैंक यू मैम।
ओके ओके। पेज नंबर 82, पेज 82, write CW and today's date, that is 30/9/2021. Yes, CW and date.
82.
So here is a new topic, vowel phonogram family, OU and OW. Vowel phonogram family, OU and low. Market that.
Full कर दिया। बाय बाय मम्मा, मम्मा बाय बाय।
हाँ
मैम आपका वीडियो ऑन करो।
मेरा वीडियो ऑन ही है बेटा। Am I audible, parents? Can you see my video? Yes, there was no voice, sorry. Okay, there won't be any interruption. Right? Okay. Vowel phonogram family, OU, OW. You will think that we have already learned OW family, right? But that sound was O. That sound was O. We have already learned the sound of O in this vowel phonogram family, O, OE and OW, right? O. OW is read as O in all these words below, right children? So this is again a different topic. This is again a different topic. Here OU and OW it will be heard as sound. We hear OU sound and OW sound as ow. OU is equal to AU ow. OU is ow. In these all words, in some words, the sound is ow. Right? Page number is 82, ma'am. Riya, page 82.
Mama.
Yes. And here there are some of the words which has OW sound. Its sound is ow. Ow. Right? There are some words with OW sound. Its sound will be O. But there are also some words which have OW sound as ow also. Right, parents? Right, children? Do you have any query about this? Please tell me if you have any.
Oh, what is that?
Understood? Some of the words having OW sounds O, but here are the words with ow sound. OW, ow sound.
Brown.
Right?
Brown.
So
Ow sound.
let's see
OW
which
and
sound
ow
is,
sound.
which word have ow sound. OU is ow.
Ground. A sound है ground. A plus U. Ground.
Loud, loud. See children, there is the OU sound which we hear ow. How do we hear OU sound? Ow. Loud, loud. Sometimes I have to speak loud, right? Loud, loud, loud. Ground, ground. You play in your playground, right? You play in a playground. So this is ground, 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 ground. This is gr. What is gr? Tell me, children. Gr. What is gr? Gr is a. Nobody is answering. Yes, Manya. Very good. Yes, Manya. Very good. It's a gr. Gr is a blend, and OU is pronounced as ow. Ground, 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 ground. Now we have a next word. Out. OU is pronounced as ow. We hear the sound of ow in out. OU is out. Out. In opposite, out. We have learned this, na? Out. Now next word is sound, sound. Sound, sound. Here there is the sound of ow in the word. Here there is the sound of ow in the word. Yes. So these are ow words. OU, ow. Loud, loud. Ground, ground. Out. Sound, sound. Now again we have OW as ow. OW we have to read in some of the words as ow. So here are some words with OW which sounds ow. Okay. Crown, crown. What is this? I am noticing who are answering, who are not answering. Yes. Wait, what is the question? Dono ka sound? Yes, dono ka sound. OU is also ow and OW also ow. That's why it is taken as one topic. Wait, is it clear? Dono ka sound, both sound are same. Its spelling is little bit different. This is OU ow and this is OW ow. Right? Yes, well, okay. Cleared? Yes, very good. Jay, Hetvi. Very good. It's a blend. Divya Jyoti, say. Very good. It's a blend. I am noticing who are answering me. Right? So, This is crown, crown. See children, we saw OU is a sound of ow. Again, OW is a sound of ow. OW is ow. We wear, who wears crown? A king wears crown, right? Crown, 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 crown. Yes. Now again there is something with ow sound. What is it? It's a, yes Manya, very good. It's a blend. It's a blend. Br is a blend. Brown, brown. This is a brown color. Brown, brown. It's a color. Brown. Brown, brown. Frown. Again there is something. Now what is frown? Do you know what is frown? What is frown? This is when we make a line in our forehead. उसको frown बोलते हैं. Right children? Frown. 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 What is fro? What is fro? Fro. Yes. Fro. Fro is a blend. Very good word. Fro. Frown. 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 Forehead पे गुस्से से जो लाइन है. Frown. 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 Okay. Growl. Gr. What is growl? Sound of ow. The sound of ow. Growl, growl. Dog जो sounds बनाते हैं ना ऊ करके, that is called growl. 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 So let's go through the order to the ow. Growl. Crown. Brown. Brown. Frown, frown. Growl, growl. Okay, children. These are ow words. OU is also ow. OW is also ow. Okay, children. So let's go through the sentences below and fill the blanks. Let's fill the blanks. Okay. Complete the words by writing ow or ow, we ow. Read the sentences. इसमें okay, children. So let's start our today's practice. He will. What is this? I am noticing who are answering me, huh? And I will note down all those children who is not answering. What is double L? Double L is a
Okay. Parents, can you hear us? Can you hear me? Parents? Thank you so much. Sorry for disturbance. Sorry for inconvenience, parents. Yes. So where were we? Here. What is it? What is it, children? I'm noting down who are answering me, huh? I'm having this. I'll note down who are answering, who are not answering. So be careful. डबल ई, yes, डबल कॉन्सोनेंट नहीं बोलते इसको, yes, डबल ववल बोलते हैं इसको, that is called double vowel, not double consonant, double vowel. Here is a queen, right? The queen wears the kr dash dash no. What is she wearing? What is she wearing? What is it? It's a crown. King or queen जो पहनते हैं, that's called crown. The queen wears the crown. What will be the spelling of crown? Crown, 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 crown. The queen wears the crown. Now next question. She can hear the dog gr dash dash l. What is this dog doing? See, you can see in the picture. She can hear, मतलब वो she can hear, वो सुन सकती है. The dog gr dash dash l. The dog क्या कर रहा है? The dog is growling. Means the dog growls. She can hear the dog growl. What is the spelling of growl? Growl. O-W-O. O-W-O. Again, her book will fall. What is this? And this, children? Teacher have explained this, no? We have learned it in previous chapters. What is it? Double O. Yes, double vowel, short vowel, oo. Short sound of oo, book. Yes, and double L is double consonant. Double L is double consonant. Okay, children? Her book will. Again, we are having double consonant here. Her book will fall on the gr dash and d. Nd. Gr and d. Book is falling. The book will fall on the ground. O-U sound. Ow. O-U sound. O-U, ow. Ground. Her book will fall on the ground. Ground, ground. Yes, children, we have a little more practice, but in that I will note down who is answering me. Okay, I will note down who children are answering me. Right? So, what is it? It's a part of our body. But what is it? We have food with this. We chew our food in our
mouth.
Very good. Mouth. Yes, Divya Jyoti, very good. Can you read again? Yes, Dhyani, very good. It's a out, mouth. Out, mouth. But what is this? Tell me. What is this? Write in your comment chat में लिखो आप. What is this? What is it? Is नहीं. तो नहीं है, फोनोग्राम है. What is tho? Yes, Manyasha, very good. Tho is a digraph. When two sounds are merged to make a new sound is called digraph. This is a digraph. Very good, Satvi, Jay, Kevish, very good. Mouth and the yes, with very good. Mouth. You only have to see the picture and identify. Okay. Now the other picture is this. And what is this? What is this, children? Very good, Manya. Very good, Ved. Very good, Divyajyoti. Very good, Naksh. Cow. Very good. Very good, Dhyani. Very good, Shlok, Rudra, Satvi. Very good. I'm noticing, I'm reading who are answering me, huh? Yes, it's a cow. So, what sound did you hear? Ow. When we speak cow, we hear the sound of ow. Cow. 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 हमने काव तो पहले से ही देखा था, सुना था, राइट? काव लिखना हमें आता था, पर आपको पता था ये OW आउ होता है? नो. So right now we learn that OW sound is ow in some words. Okay? In some words we have the sound of OW as ow. Yes. So next picture is this. And what is it? What is it, children? What's this? Which picture are you seeing right now? Very good. Very good, Ved, Rudra, Manya, Kate. Very good, Manya. Are we very good? Sorry. Arya, sorry. Arya, very good. Satvi, Naksh, Divyajyot, Sarvi. Sarvi, very good. आप आंसर देने लगी हो. आई एम नोटिसिंग जो भी आंसर नहीं दे रहे हैं, मैं कल परसों उसका नाम बोलूंगी. स्नेह, केट, वेरी गुड. Clown. So in the clown word, what is this? What is this, children? Claw is a bland. Very good, Manya. Very good. Clown. 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 तो क्लाउन भी हमें पता था, लेकिन वी डिडंट नो, हमें पता नहीं था कि उसका साउंड आओ आता है, राइट? So it's a clown. Claw is a blend and the sound of OWA is ow. The sound of OW is ow. Now next picture is this. What is it? Slow clown नहीं, clown. It is clown. Clown. Right? Yes. Now the next picture is this. What is it? What picture is it? Can you tell me? Which picture is this? It's a little bit tough, no? Yes, it's a tough picture, but I have to explain it because we have some confusion, right? ये क्या कर रहा है? I'm giving a hint. What is the man doing? He is doing something. क्या कर रहा है ये? Have you seen my explanation video? I have shown it. So, the man is bowing down. Bow कर रहा है. Bow. झुक रहा है. Thank you बोलने के लिए bow करते हैं. Bow. Very good, Arya. It's called bow. We have a bow. Bow बोलते हैं ना? It's a bow. Yes, bow is also a word and bow is also a different word. Bow. 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 B-O-W. Bow भी होता है, bow भी होता है. Now you will ask that how will we know? But आपको you have to see the picture and confirm it whether it is bow or a bow. Understood, children? Yes. Now next picture is this. What is the lady wearing? What is she wearing? What is this? No answer? Yes, very good, Ved. Very good. Arya, Shlok, Naksh, Kevish, Sharvi. Very good, Rudrash. Sneh. Yes, now I am getting answer. I am noticing. मैं सारा कुछ notice कर रही हूँ. I am writing down who are answering me. Right? So this is a gown. The full length dress, this like a fairy or a queen, is called a gown. 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 Gown it is. It's a gown. Yes. Now what is this? What is this? Very good, Kate. Ketan, sorry. Crown. Very good, Manya, Pooja, Arya. Very good. I'm getting so many answers. Okay. Tirth. Pooja is Tirth. I didn't know that. Right. Naksh. Very good. Rudra, Hetvi. Sarvi. I'm getting answer. It's a crown. And who wears it? Who wears it? Who wears it? कौन पहनता है? Yes. See, before asking, they give me answer. Children are giving answers. There is a crowland also. Yes, Manya. King wears it. Yes, very good. King and queen wears crown. Very nice. I'm getting so many answers today. I'm really thankful, children, that you are giving so much of effort. Yes. So it's a crown. Crown is worn by kings, queens and also winners wear this crown. जो winners होते हैं, first number holders होते हैं, वो भी crown पहनते हैं, right? There is a crowland and we have to write ow in the crown, 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 right? Crown. Now again there is a new word. Yes, Shlok, queen भी पहनती है. Very good. Please अपना म्यूट करो. Please अपना चैट म्यूट करो. Reyansh, please mute yourself. Reyansh, thank you, beta. Please mute yourself. Reyansh.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा म्यूट करो अपना फोन को. Mute the phone. Yes. Which picture is this? Very good. Cloud. But the spelling cloud, केविश. Cloud का spelling दिव्य बुआ. Divya. Cloud its spelling is not OW. It's OU. वो आपको प्रैक्टिस करने से समझ आएगा. Okay? So it's a picture of a cloud, but there is a blend also. Blend. Is a blend. Very good, Manyasha. Cloud. 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 Yes. Now the next picture is this. Which color is this? Which picture is it? Reyansh, please mute your phone. Reyansh, अपना फोन म्यूट करो. आप चैट में बात कर सकते हो मैम से. You can. Which color is it? Which color is it? Yes. You have a blend. Rayan, please mute yourself, beta. I'm having a discussion over here, beta. Please mute yourself. I can't mute from here. Rayan, mute करो अपना phone. This is brown color. Brown. Br is a blank and ow sound. We use ow sound. Very good, Shlok. Brown. 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 There is a ow sound in the picture. Ow in the word brown. No, brown. So this was our today's class work and our homework will be page number 82 from your Zoom phonics textbook. You have to read page number 82 in your homework. Read करना है. Sentences also. Sorry. Also and sentences. Your class here. Goodbye. Thanks.
કેમ લખ્યો નથી એટલે આ લાઈન ને 9 આ ઈ વાળામાં કેમ નથી લખ્યો 9 લખ્યો આ લખ્યો આ ફાઇન લખ્યો પછી આ લખ્યો આ ડાઇન નથી લખ્યો ડાઇન આઈએન વાળો લખી નાખ અડધો અડધો રાખતો હોય જાય હોય ત્યાં શું હે
મ્યુટેડ થઈ જાવ મ્યુટેડ